Now I want to create an array called x. X equals the outer array. Inner array is 1, 2. Key in x, and I get 1, 2. Now I want to key in x equals, and do this again, 1, 2, close, times 3. Now what's in x? Oh my goodness, I've got 1, 2, 3 inner arrays, numbered 0, 1, and 2. So, what is the 0th element of x? And that's the array 1, 2. What is the second element of x? That's the last one over here. This is 0, this is 1, and this is the 2th element. What if I take that 2th element, which currently now is pointing to 1, 2, to the inner list 1, 2, and I assign that the value 3, 4. Now what's going to happen? Now the 0th and 1th element of x are pointing to the inner array 1, 2. These are placeholders pointing to the inner array 1, 2. But the 2th element is now pointing to a different inner array called 3, 4. Let's find out if that's true. Put it to the test. X, hit enter, and ooh la la, mes enfants, look what I've got. 3, 4. What if I now take x and append on top of x, open parens, another inner array called 5 and 6, close parens? Now what does x look like? Oh my goodness. I now have an array where the first two elements, the 0th and 1th element, are pointing to the inner array 1 and 2, the same inner array which points to 1 and 2, which references the values 1 and 2. While the 0, 1, 2th element is pointing to a different array, and the 0, 1, 2, 3th element is pointing to an even different array. What if I now take x's 1th element, and specifically within that 1th element, not the 0th, but the 1th element, again, the 2. And I make that equal to 4. Now what does x equal? So the 0th and 1th inner arrays are pointing to the same object. I just changed that object to 4. It was 2. It's now 4. These two guys, which are pointing to the same inner array object, they're changed. But the others, which are pointing to different objects, are not changed. What if I now take the 0, 1th, now I take the 2th element, and I'm going to change this guy. I'm going to say x, yes, take your 2th element, specifically not its 1th element, but its 0th element, and make that equal to, 9. Oh, syntax error. Oh, that's because I put in 2 squares. Oops. Try it one more time. And delete that out. There we go. Now it'll work. X. Let's see what the 2th object looks like. The 2th inner list looks like now. Oh, wow. It has been changed. It is no longer 3, 4 like it was a little while ago. It's now 9, 4. But none of the other guys have changed. Wow. And that's all I want to talk with you about today. This is George Boole. Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed the video, please rate it by clicking on the like button. I'd appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk more about this very self-same subject. Till then, bye-bye.